Hello students, welcome to another segment of operational amplifier, and today we are going to discuss two circuits in which one is peak detector and another is voltage comparator. We already know that square, triangular, sawtooth and pulse waves are typical examples of non-sinusoidal waveforms. A conventional AC voltmeter cannot be used to measure these non-sinusoidal waveforms because it is designed to measure the RMS value of the pure sine wave. One possible solution to this problem is to measure the peak values of the non-sinusoidal waveforms. On the other hand, a voltage comparator compares an analog voltage level with some preset reference voltage, that is VREF, and provides an output signal based on the voltage comparison. In other words, the op-amp voltage comparator compares the magnitude of two voltage inputs and determines which is the largest of the two. Now let's talk about the theory and the schematic diagram and circuit analysis of peak detector. The schematic circuit of a peak detector using 741 operational amplifier is displayed. It measures the positive peak values of the square wave input. During the positive half cycle of Vin, diode D1 is reversed biased and voltage across C is retained. The only discharge path for C is through RL, since the input bias current IB is negligible. For proper operation of the circuit, the discharge time constant CRD and discharging time constant CRL must satisfy the following conditions. That is, C of RD is less than equal to T by 10, where RD is the resistance of the forward bias diode, T is the time period of the input waveform, and CRL is greater than equal to 10T, where RL is the load resistor. Now let's come to the schematic diagram and circuit analysis of voltage comparator. The schematic diagram of voltage comparator using the 741 operational amplifier is displayed. A fixed reference voltage VREFF of 1 volt is applied to the inverting input and the other time varying signal voltage Vin is applied to the non-inverting input. Due to this arrangement, the circuit is also known as non-inverting comparator. When Vin is less than VREFF, the output voltage V0 is at minus Vsat, that is approximately equal to negative of VEE, because of the voltage at the negative input is higher than the positive input. On the other hand, when Vin is greater than VREFF, the positive input becomes positive with respect to the negative input. The output voltage V0 goes to positive Vsat, that is approximately equal to positive of VCC. Thus, V0 changes from one saturation level to another whenever Vin is approximately equal to VREFF. The diodes D1 and D2 protect the operational amplifier from damage due to excessive input voltage Vin. Because of these diodes, the differential input voltage VID of the op-amp is claimed to either positive 0.7 volt or negative of 0.7 volt. Hence, the diode are called clamp diodes. Now, we will talk about the comparator characteristics. The first characteristic is operational speed. According to the change of conditions in the input, the comparator circuit switches at good speed between the saturation levels and the response is instantaneous. The second characteristic is accuracy. The accuracy of the comparator circuit causes the following characteristics. The first one is high voltage gain. The comparator circuit is said to have a high voltage gain characteristics that results in requirement of smaller hysteresis voltage. As a result, the comparator output voltage switches between the upper and the lower saturation levels. High common mode rejection ratio, that is also known as CMRR. The common mode input voltage parameters such a noise is rejected with the help of a high CMRR. Very small input offset current and input offset voltage. A negligible amount of input offset current and input offset voltage causes a lesser amount of offset problems. To reduce further offset problems, offset voltage compensating networks and offset minimizing resistors can be used. And with this, we have come to an end of this session. And today we have learned introduction to peak detector and voltage comparator using op-amp, schematic diagram and circuit analysis of peak detector, schematic diagram and circuit analysis of voltage comparator, and the comparator characteristics. We will meet again with another interesting topic soon. Till then, keep watching and keep learning. Bye.